Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Angry Birds Star Wars 2 on your personal computer. Since the official PC version is no longer supported, the most common method involves using an Android emulator. This allows you to run the mobile version of the game directly on your desktop or laptop, bringing back all the fun and excitement of the game. First, you'll need to choose a reliable Android emulator. Options like BlueStacks, Nox Player, or LD Player are widely used and generally free. Before downloading, check that your computer meets the emulator's minimum system requirements, typically requiring at least 4 GB of RAM and 10 GB of free disk space for smooth performance. Once your emulator is installed, you'll need the game's installation file, known as an APK. Search for Angry Birds Star Wars 2 APK from a reputable source. After downloading, simply drag the APK file into your Open Emulator window. The emulator will then automatically install the game, making it ready to launch and enjoy. Playing on PC offers precise control. You'll use your mouse to aim and launch your birds, just like swiping on a phone screen. Many emulators also let you customize keyboard shortcuts for character abilities, enhancing your gameplay. Remember to try both the bird side and pork side campaigns for a complete experience, featuring over 56 unique characters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.